Hello student, welcome to Math Academy. We already discussed two long questions in previous questions. Today I will discuss two questions about linear independence and dependence. This is the objective questions. It is 1 mark and this is the 2 marks. 1 mark and this is the 2 marks. 2 3 marks carry. So how will be? So this is the linear independence and dependence. Always remember the tips. How a function is set to linear independence and a linear dependence. L.I केतल को हबो L.D केतल को हबो. When a vectors is said to be linear independence and a linear dependence. Linear independence means the sum scalar alpha into this vector plus beta into this vector plus gamma into this vector and so on. This will be 0 0. Suppose I will be 3 vector space, means this is a 3 vector space 1 2 1 minus 1 0. This is the 3 vector space over the v3 माने vector space over 3. So alpha into this vector plus beta into this vector and gamma into this vector equal to 0 0. Because there are 3 vectors, so required 3 scalar alpha, beta and gamma. This is the linear combinations of this scalar of this given v3 vectors. Once this vector is alpha equal to 0 and beta equal to 0 and gamma equal to 0, then it means the vector of this given is a linear independence. All alpha beta all alpha beta and gamma. यदि समस्त अल्फा बीटा गामा यदि 0 हम तान आम कौन कर. In case LD, this is the Li. In case of LD, when sum आ भर जब कि सपोज दुईटा 0 होची यदि गोटे 0 सर अल्फा 0 होगला बीटा 0 होगला बट गामा डज नॉट 0. आ भर सबू 0 होने लिनियर इंडिपेंडेंट. यदि 1 should not be 0. जदि आ भर गोटे भी 0 नुहे जेकोसी गोटे रहीगला, सो इट इज ए लिनियर डिपेंडेंस. This is the concept. I will also explain this short trick. तुमको जो एक मार्किया क्वेश्चन दिया तार गोटे शॉर्ट ट्रिक अच्छी कह. शॉर्ट ट्रिक डेफिनेशन होची व्हेन इट इज ए, सो इट इज कन्वर्टेड एज ए 3x3 मैट्रिक्स. ऑलवेज 3x3 मैट्रिक्स रे कन्वर्ट करिवो. व्हेन द डिटरमिनेंट of this given matrix, a matrix आम जो determinant बाहर, this is the A matrix. When the determinant of the given matrix will not, जदि ये 0 बाहरी गला ताना कौन हम जब 0 न बाहरला, जब 0 बाहरी गला ताना सेटा कौन को भाव लिनियर डिपेंडेंस आर उल्टा. जब 0 हो गला लिनियर डिपेंडेंस है जो मैट्रिक्स रे, जब 0 न होला तान लिनियर इंडिपेंडेंट. एई जिनसटा को मन रखिथिबो. 0 not equal to 0 linear independent in case of matrix. Remember the 0 हो गला linear independent. मैं आपको बुझाऊँ देखो ये क्वेश्चन टाको गोटे शॉर्ट ट्रिक मेथड रे आई विल एक्सप्लेन. क्वेश्चन 1. So this is the given vector space v3, so it is a 3x3 matrix. So A matrix will be 1 2 1 and -1 1 0 -1 1 0 and 5 -1 2 5 -1 2. This is the 3x3 matrix. How will we show that the given vector space will linear independence or not, or linear dependence केमिति हम देखिबा. तो देखिया पई first we will find the value of the determinant. So find the value of the determinant. What is the determinant? The determinant will be 1 into this will be cancels and this will be cancels. 2 into 1 will be 2 minus 2 into 1 will be 2 and minus 1 into 0. So minus 1 into 0 will be 0. This is the plus and this is the plus 2 because you will know this is the 2 तो 2 हेले कौन होबटी तो 2 कैंसिल हो गला this will be cancelled then minus 1 into minus 1 0 5 2 and 2 into minus 1 this will be this is the positive sign this is the negative signs and 2 into this will be cancelled this will be cancelled and 2 into minus 1 will be minus 2 and 5 into 0 will be minus 0 and this is the positive signs minus 2 into 0 this is the positive signs 1 into this will be minus 1 into minus 1 minus into minus 1 is will be plus 1s and the determinant will be minus and 5 into 1 will be 5 so 2 and 2 into 2 4 and this will be plus 4 and this will be 5 to 1 wala minus 4 plus 4 cancels and this will be 2 this is the clear note that 2 never equal 0 जदि 0 बाहरिनी so this is the linear independence बुझीगला एटा तमर कोन हमरे linear independent हबो linear independence so how will be another way you will be discuss how it is linear independence or not another method I will already discuss this is the alpha into scalar method रे हमें करि परिबा तो ताकू ही मैं अलगा मेथड भी देखौ छी तुमको जो मेथड रो भल लागियो से मेथड करियो तो another method will be alpha into this vector plus beta into this vector plus gamma into this vector equal to 0 0 0 how it will be 0 0 because it is a 3 vectors and v3 so it is a v3 so this will be 3 vectors so one vector will be 1 2 1 and other vector will be minus 1 0 minus 1 1 0 so I'll write alpha into 1 2 1 1 2 1 and beta into minus 1 1 0 minus 1 1 0 and other factor will be gamma into 5 minus 1 2 5 this will be 5 minus 1 2 remember this and this is the 0 0 0 vector space because it is v3 so I'll write the linear combination of this way so alpha into 1 means alpha into 2 it means 2 alpha into 1 it means alpha plus beta into minus beta it means minus beta this will be beta into 0 0 and 5 into gamma 5 gamma comma 5 into minus 1 sorry 5 into gamma 5 gamma and gamma into minus 1 minus gamma and 2 into gamma will be 2 gamma this will be 0 0 and 0 and alpha minus beta how will you write alpha minus beta plus 5 gamma will be 0 because this will be 0 vector first vector and 2 alpha plus beta minus gamma 2 alpha plus beta minus gamma will be 0 and alpha this will be 0 so not required alpha plus 2 gamma this is the equation 1 this is the equation 2 this is the equation 3 so how I will solve the equation 2 and 3 in equation 2 रे मु 1 मल्टीप्लाई करछि किछि मल्टीप्लाई कर आवश्यकता नै 2 अल्फा प्लस बीटा माइनस गामा इक्वल टू 0 and equation 2 equation 3 there will be multiplying 2 because you will equal alpha so it becomes 2 alpha plus 4 gamma equal to 0 so when you subtract this will be cancelled out and beta minus beta will be right, and minus gamma minus 4 gamma will be 5 gamma, which is equal to 0, and beta equal to 5 gamma. So put the value of beta equal to 5 gamma in this given equations. Beta equal to 5 gamma. Why is beta equal to 5 gamma? Beta equal to 5 gamma. So putting the value of 1, putting the value of beta in equation 1. So the required condition will be alpha minus beta plus 5 gamma equal to 0. So what is my beta? The value of beta equal to 5 gamma. 5 gamma plus 5 gamma equal to 0, minus 5 gamma plus 5 gamma. So alpha equal to 0. When alpha equal to 0, so put the value of this given equation 3. So equation 3 becomes the alpha plus 2 gamma equal to 0. The value of alpha is 0. So 0 plus 2 gamma equal to 0. So automatically gamma will be 0. Alpha equal to 0 and gamma equal to 0. So automatically alpha 0, gamma 0. Automatically beta will be 0. So beta will be 0. So this is the when alpha 0, beta 0 and gamma 0, the condition will be said to be linear independence. So when we will apply determinant, then this is a easy method, this is a long method. So this is a 2 method, you can solve it. The next question will be prove that the vector 1 0 1 1 1 0 1 minus 1 1 1 2 3 is linear independence. Always linear independence. This is the proof that. So how I will write this question will be, I will discuss in 2 process. Question number 2. The first one I will solve in determinant methods. 1 0 1 1 1 0 1 1 1 0 1 1 0 1 minus 1 1 1 2 3. So how will it? This is a 4 cross 3 matrix. This is a 4 cross 3 matrix because row will be 4 and a column will be 4 cross 3 matrix. You will clearly 4 row and column will be 3. So this is this will be not required determinant because determinant will be always a square matrix 2 cross 3 cross 3. So when it is whenever it will be not a square matrix, so it will be converted into a square matrix. This will be also a square matrix, this will be also a square matrix, and so many way you will requires. You clearly see that this matrix will never be 0 because 1 into 1 will be 1 and 1 into 0 will be 0 and 1, and also see that 0 into 0 equal to 0 and minus 1. This is the minus 1s. So when you converted into a square matrix 2 cross 2 matrix, it's never the determinant value is never 0. It means when the determinant value never 0, so it is a linear independence. So how will we solve by scalar combination? This is the simple method. This is a very 15 second or 40 second you will solve this questions. But how will solve this another way, scalar combinations? So alpha into 1 0 1 plus beta into 1 1 1 0 plus gamma into 1 minus 1 0 plus delta into 1 2 3 equal to 0 0 0. So first I will dilate alpha plus beta plus gamma first vector plus delta will be 0, and another will be there is alpha into 0 will be 0. So alpha will be not required. So beta into 1 beta plus minus gamma and 2 delta will be 0, and another one will be alpha into 1 alpha and beta into 0 will be 0. So beta will be not required. and gamma into 0, gamma is also not required. So alpha plus delta into the 3 delta equal to 0. So alpha plus 3 delta is equal to 0. It means I will write alpha is equal to minus 3 delta. So alpha, this is the equation 1, this is the equation 2, this is the equation 3. So alpha is equal to minus 3 delta. Put this given equations, the given equation. So alpha plus beta plus gamma. So what is the value of alpha? When you put alpha plus beta plus gamma plus delta equal to 0. When you put alpha equal to minus 3 delta, so instead of alpha I will put to minus 3 delta. Minus 3 delta plus beta plus delta plus gamma plus delta equal to 0. Minus 3 delta plus delta, and minus 3 delta plus 3 delta will be minus 2 delta, and plus beta and plus gamma equal to 0. This is the another equations for. So when you equals alpha plus 3 delta and beta minus gamma plus 2 delta, beta minus gamma plus 2 delta in this given equations, because if you put alpha equal to this condition, then minus 2 delta plus beta plus gamma equal to 0. हमें इक्वेशन पुट करके जेकोसी इक्वेशन पुट करी बाहर कर किसी प्रॉब्लम नहीं. तो आउ गोटे इक्वेशन मुझे ये लिखी दूसरी बीटा थिला माइनस गामा प्लस 2 डेल्टा इक्वल टू 0. व्हेन यू एड देम माइनस 2 डेल्टा प्लस 2 डेल्टा विल बी कैंसल्स. देन बीटा प्लस बीटा 2 बीटा and minus gamma plus gamma will be cancels. Then beta will be 0 and beta will be 0. When you put beta equal to 0, then minus, when you put beta equal to 0, minus gamma plus 2 delta equal to 0, so automatically delta will be, what is the value of delta? Delta will be, there is no, because minus gamma equal to minus 2 delta. Delta cancels, the gamma is equal to 2 delta. This is a relations. The gamma equal to 2 delta. If you put gamma equal to 2 delta, gamma equal to 2 delta, which conditions? If you put gamma equal to 2 delta, these conditions. So beta minus gamma plus 2 delta equal to 0. When I put gamma equal to 2 delta, so beta minus gamma equal to 2 delta plus 2 delta cancels. This is the equation. Then beta equal to 0. Then beta equal to 0 already find out, and beta equal to 0. Also delta gamma equal to 2 delta. When I put gamma equal to 2 delta, this is the gamma. Gamma equal to 2 delta. Then alpha plus beta plus gamma equal to 2 delta plus delta 3 delta. Then alpha plus beta plus 3 delta will be 0. And what is the value of alpha? Alpha value minus 3 delta, then minus 3 delta plus beta plus 3 delta will be 0, and 3 delta minus plus 3 delta minus cancel, and beta will be, so beta will be 0. Will you find, how will you find alpha and gamma? When I put alpha equal to minus 3 delta and minus 3 delta will be cancelled, satisfy these equations. When I put this equation also requires beta minus gamma plus 2 delta equal to 0. When I put beta equal to 0, then minus gamma plus 2 delta equal to 0, and the delta equal to gamma equal to 2. So 2 delta plus delta equal to 0. It means delta will be 0, and delta will be 0. Beta equal to 0, then alpha equal to 0, then beta equal to 0, delta equal to 0. So all this alpha, beta, gamma, all this vector delta will be 0. So all this vector will be 0. You can equation any vector, any जेकोसी इक्वेशन नहीं तुम पुट कर अल्फा बीटा बाहर बीटा तो आम दुटा केस 0 बाहर, तो सब केस बीटा 0 बाहर, अल्फा भी ऑटोमेटिक 0 बाहर. तुम जेकोसी इक्वेशन कॉम्बिनेशन नहीं देखी पार जे अल्फा बीटा गामा 0 होची जेकोसी इक्वेशन नहीं पार. सो थैंक यू. तुम ये सर्ट ट्रिक थिला, यहाँ तुम सर्ट ट्रिक थिला, यहाँ लॉन्ग प्रोसेस थिला, जो प्रोसेस पाइयो तुम कर. तो लाइक शेयर कमेंट दिस वीडियो. थैंक यू.